On August 13, 2025, Loyal magazine revealed that the Bundeswehr is preparing a sweeping modernization of its unmanned aerial systems, UAS, aiming to grow its fleet from roughly 600 units today to more than 8,000 by 2029. This ambitious initiative represents one of the most substantial capability expansions in recent German military history and signals a clear shift toward prioritizing drone-based operations. The planned portfolio will include everything from tiny nano-drones for close-range reconnaissance to loitering munitions capable of precision strikes against selected targets. By committing to such a broad procurement program, the Bundeswehr is positioning unmanned systems at the heart of its future operational doctrine, reflecting the increasing role of drones in both intelligence gathering and active battlefield engagement. Internal Bundeswehr documents cited by Loyal outline the composition of the projected fleet. The program envisions acquiring 1,200 ultra-compact nano-drones tailored for short-range observation, optimized for urban settings, dense forests, or other complex terrain where conventional surveillance struggles. This will be supplemented by 3,028 mini-UAS for short-range reconnaissance missions, likely following the lineage of the Aladdin and Falk systems, which have been core elements of German aerial reconnaissance in recent years. To maintain robust communication across dispersed forces, approximately 800 drones with relay capabilities are planned, extending operational reach and securing command and control networks. Additionally, loitering munitions are under evaluation, with 2 competing platforms currently in trials to determine which will enter service, adding a significant offensive dimension to the Bundeswehr's drone arsenal. Defense Minister Boris Pistorius has confirmed that this program is anchored in an official drone strategy, emphasizing long-term institutional commitment. The strategy incorporates flexible contracting and continuous procurement cycles, enabling the military to integrate emerging technologies without the delays typical of traditional acquisition procedures. Alongside the target of 8,000 operational drones, the Bundeswehr plans to maintain a reserve of 20 to 40%, ensuring rapid replacement of losses, sustained operational readiness, and surge capacity during high-intensity scenarios. Although Loyal did not disclose exact budget figures, the scale of this program implies significant multi-year financial and industrial coordination. Strategically, Germany's planned UAS expansion could result in one of Europe's most extensive and versatile military drone fleets by 2029. The integration of thousands of systems across multiple classes will dramatically enhance surveillance coverage, improve target acquisition speed, and increase battlefield flexibility. The addition of loitering munitions aligns Germany with current operational practices seen in modern conflicts, where drones have proven decisive for both reconnaissance and precision strikes. Embedding these capabilities into its force structure ensures the Bundeswehr can operate effectively in a distributed, networked combat environment, relying on persistent situational awareness and autonomous engagement capabilities. By 2029, Germany aims not just to maintain one of the most technologically advanced drone inventories in Europe, but also to keep these systems at the cutting edge of innovation. Through continuous procurement, a robust operational reserve, and a forward-looking drone strategy, the Bundeswehr is positioning itself to respond swiftly to emerging threats, independently gather intelligence, and bolster NATO's eastern defense posture. This evolution underscores Germany's drive for operational independence, technological agility, and resilience, ensuring an integrated unmanned presence across all dimensions of modern military operations.